Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After making changes to a WordPad document that you want to keep, you should save the document. When you save a document for the first time, you must use the Save As dialog box. Doing this gives WordPad a location to which to save the document and a file name. Give it a name you will remember, and be sure to remember where you saved it. To save a document for the first time in WordPad, click the File tab in the ribbon at the top of a previously unsaved document, and then click the Save command in the menu that appears to open the Save As dialog box. Alternatively, click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar at the top of a previously unsaved document to open the same Save As dialog box. In the Save As dialog box that then appears, navigate into the folder into which to save the document. The folder's name should appear in the address bar at the top of the Save As dialog box. Then type the document's name into the file name field. If needed, to change the file type of the document to save, select a choice from the Save As Type dropdown. Finally, click the Save button in the Save As dialog box to save the file with the name you gave it into the folder you selected. After saving the document, its name then appears in the title bar in WordPad. To save changes to the document after initially saving it, either click the File tab in the ribbon and then select the Save command in the menu that appears, or click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. The document then automatically saves the changes to the same place with the same name, overwriting the old version.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.